The fitting kit and the ring have both come. The kit obviously has a selection of bits and pieces. I've still got all the original stuff. That spring is obviously wrong. I guess it's for a slightly different Peugeot. That one would do. I guess over the years that one has compressed a little, so I'm going to assume it's those two. The alternative is I could put this spring back on, I suppose. As far as the bolts go, there's 4 bolts. Well, that is slightly different, so that bolt is the match, not those two, and the rest are generic. The only thing I'm going to do, I think, different is I'm going to put a stainless steel nut on there. Well, I was looking at that nut. It's obviously designed so that when it's on, it doesn't come off. Maybe I won't put a stainless steel one on. There's a shoulder there, and I guess that's to stop you doing the nut up too much and squashing the spring too much. I guess that will ensure the correct tension.